Hey everybody, welcome to our cooking channel Pans and Knives. In today's video, we'll be making falafel burger. So let's get into the recipe. You will need tomato, bun, lettuce, lemon, coriander leaves, parsley, onion, garlic, green chilies, sesame seeds, tahini paste, sriracha sauce, canned chickpeas, and cumin powder. Moving on to the next step, let's prepare the patty. In a mixer or blender, assemble all the ingredients except lettuce, tomato, bun, and sriracha sauce. Lastly, add salt as per your taste. Roughly blend the ingredients together and make sure they do not become fine. Now you can see a thick textured mixture. Take it out on a bowl and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes so that it becomes dense to make a patty. Moving on to the next step, let's shallow fry the patty. On a flat pan, add some oil and let it heat. Once it starts to heat, add patty into it. Cook the patty from both the sides. And once done, set them aside on a plate. Moving on to the final step, let's assemble the burger. Slightly toast the burger as shown. And set it on a plate. Spread sriracha on the inside of the bun. Add lettuce, followed by patty, followed by tomato slices, and on the other side of the bun, add tahini, add cheese slice, and top it with the other bun. Your falafel burger is all ready. Serve it with some chips and sriracha sauce and it tastes wow. You have to try this recipe. Do share it with your family and friends and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Pans and Knives. Bye.